Class science. This is Kavitha. Okay. In first chapter, food components, you study for rough edges. Rough edges are nothing but thread-like structures. So, we are finding thread-like structures in not only fruits, leafy vegetables, like some plants also gives the fibers, and some animals also gives the fibers. But in the food components, regarding rough edges, we have to take along with the diet. That means it's going to avoid the constipation. But in other way also, we need to use the fibers, like cotton plant and cotton seeds. You know the children, white cotton seeds. Seeds are covered with some fur, like means some thread-like structures. Is it? These threads from cotton seed, from cotton fibers, we are getting the cotton cloth, like jute. Jute also, like gunny bags will prepare. And some animals also gives fibers, that you know, like a spider. In our daily life, you are seeing a fiber. Fiber will secrete some saliva to form web on the sides of the walls, on the corners of the walls. Is it right, children? Means these are also fibers only. Fibrous material which is secreted by some animals, like silkworm. Silkworm also secretes some fibers that undergone for so many processes. Thereafter, from that we are getting the silk cloth. Like fibers are not only used for our diet, but we can make useful things from that also. Like fibers. Fibers are of two types. Fibers we are getting from plants and animals. So plants, for example, cotton plant, jute plant, and coconut. You know this, coconut means what we are getting? What we are getting from this coconut means there is nothing but coir. With this coir we can make mattresses and like some furnitures, like cushions purpose also we use this coir. Like jute means, you know that from jute, gunny bags and gunny mats. Nowadays decorative items also preparing from this jute. Cotton, as usually we know that cotton means everyone very fascinating to wear this cotton. Because of these are natural, it is a natural fiber. It absorbs sweat or water. So all are fascinating, very fascinating with the cotton. Next, coming for animals. What animals? From animals also we are getting these fibers? Yes. What are that? Silk, wool. Okay. Silk means from where? Silkworm. Is it? Silkworm. Wool means from fur of some sheep, goat, young, like this. Like these animals, sheep, goat, young. From these animals we will get. So, in this, animal fiber, now we are not, this cotton fibers already you learned in 6th standard. Okay, for this year and from animals, only we are considering for silk, not only silk, wool also. Silk, how the process will be there? Silkworm will secrete some saliva and that is undergone for so many processes. That what are the process in this chapter we are going to learn. And wool also, by cutting hairs or by cutting fur, and in that also so many steps are involved. So we will see.
Fiber, a material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand, is called fiber. There are two types of fiber, that are natural fiber and man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Types of fiber: natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers, the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Examples: cotton, jute, silk, wool. Man-made fibers are synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. The fibers that are synthesized in laboratory are called man-made fiber. Examples: nylon, acrylic, terylene, terrycotton, polyester, etc. The fibers derived from plants like cotton and jute that are made into fabric. We get fibers from plants and as well as from animals. Cotton, jute, gongura, coconut plant fibers are useful to make different kinds of fabrics. In the same way, we get fibers of silk and wool from animals like silkworms and sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. Let us find out about these animal fibers in coming up classes.